guys, Flip Man here. So we're out in Santa Monica, real close to the beach. Unfortunately, we were supposed to meet Ashley, a realtor out here, but she may have COVID. Beautiful home she sent us in Santa Monica, so I want to show you guys around and see what we got.
Hello.
Hello, Michelle.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Flip.
Hi, nice to meet you.
A
A good frame of reference, next door is the only unit that's leased, and that's for $6,500. So that's what you're getting here. Basically a mirror unit.
Oh,
So,
same floor plan or?
same floor plan,
Awesome.
same updated floors. Our seller was friendly with the landlord there, so they did the same exact floors.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Are these hardwood? or-
Engineered hardwood.
Engineered?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
So you've got downstairs is a private garage within a parking structure.
Okay.
Double gated security, which is necessary for Santa Monica.
Uh-huh.
And then bedrooms on the second floor, loft and rooftop deck on the third floor.
Anything updated, Michelle?
So they did the floors. They only bought this about 5-6 years ago. It was the second home for them.
Okay.
All they did was floors. They added the plantation shutters. Personal taste. I wouldn't have done that.
Okay.
And then they painted the kitchen cabinets.
This is nice, beautiful. Got the washer dryer here. There's our landscapers. Good sized bathroom. Gorgeous place, gorgeous weather. Got a large walk-in closet, a nice balcony here. The realtor said there's three outdoor spaces. So upstairs there's 2 bedrooms. Here's the second bedroom, and they both have tubs. So you got 2 full bathrooms, you got shower, tub. Let's go up to the third floor, I'll show you guys. Privacy when you're here for business. So like I said before, guys, one thing that we want to have, and you guys should also in the Airbnbs, is a desk. Because nowadays a lot of people will be working and traveling and having fun, so they need a place to do their business. And here is something that's outstanding out here. I love being outdoors. This is a rooftop view. Oh man. So literally we're walking distance from Santa Monica Beach. And this one, I'll have to look at the numbers. I want to say it's either 1.5 or 2 million. All right, so you got your third floor up here. We got the outside patio rooftop where you could chill, have wine, and then let's go inside. We got it goes all the way down to the 4th floor where you get a parking garage. Wow. So plenty of parking down here. So with this unit, you get to the 2-car garage right there. So this is one of 3 today, guys, that we're seeing in California. So I really like the floor plan. It's 3 stories. It's got outdoor seating in 2 areas. You got a 2-car garage, plenty of Airbnb room. So this is a possibility. Let me know what you guys think. I'd be interested to hear your opinions about this one property near Santa Monica Pier.